In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank account in TransferWise. First, make sure you have the Wise app installed on your mobile device and that you're signed in. Wise used to be called TransferWise, so if you see either name during your journey, you're in the right place. It's also a good idea to have a stable internet connection and the app updated to the latest version for a smooth experience. Open the Wise app on your phone. On the main screen, look toward the top left and tap the profile icon. This takes you to your account area where you can manage settings and how you pay and get paid. If you don't see the icon right away, give the screen a second to load or gently pull down to refresh. From the profile area, scroll down until you see Payment Methods. Tap Payment Methods to open it. This section is where you manage cards and bank connections that Wise can use for payments or transfers. It's helpful to know that cards and bank accounts are listed separately here so you can quickly find what you need. Next, tap Connected Bank Accounts. This page shows any bank accounts you've already linked, and it's also where you'll start a new connection. To add a new one, tap Connect Bank Account. This begins the linking flow inside the app. You'll now be asked to select your location. Choose the country where your bank account is held. Picking the correct location matters because it tells Wise which banking network to use and which connection options are available for that region and currency. After you select the location, confirm your choice. Finally, tap Connect. At this point, Wise will guide you through the secure connection process. The exact screens you see can vary by country and bank. Just follow the prompts shown in the app and keep the Wise app open until it confirms that the connection is complete. If anything seems slow, give it a moment rather than backing out, as this can interrupt the flow. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see payment methods or connected bank accounts, it may be due to your region or account type, so check that your app and account are supported in your country. Make sure the name on your bank account matches the name on your Wise account to avoid issues. If the Connect button appears disabled, double check that you've selected a location. And if you run into an error, switching from cellular data to Wi-Fi can help. That's it. You've opened the Wise app, gone to your profile, scrolled to payment methods, chosen connected bank accounts, tapped Connect Bank Account, selected your location, and hit Connect. You're all set to manage your bank connections in Wise with confidence.